I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Bluesky account. Step 1. Open the Bluesky app and then tap the menu icon at the top of this screen. The Bluesky menu opens. Step 2. Tap Settings. Your Bluesky settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap Account. Step 4. Tap Deactivate Account. A window opens letting you know that if you move forward, your Bluesky profile, post, feeds, and list will no longer be visible to other Bluesky users. Step 5. Tap Yes Deactivate to move forward. Your Bluesky account will be deactivated immediately and you'll be bounced out to the Bluesky login screen. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging back in. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.